Mission Organic Value Chain Development of North-Eastern Region gi makhada Sedasida Organic Agriculture promote taunaba haiduna paikhatkiba Manipur Organic Mission Agency Moma project na chahi tara mapung faba gi thoram pangthokrai Moma gi makhada Sedasida Organic ki ihouda yamna chawna ahongba ma lakpa ngamkhrai Sedasigi Organic ki oiba pothokaya national amadi international market ta mafam kanba ngamle haina Horticulture and Soil Conservation gi Commissioner oibada natana Moma gi chairman oiriba T Pamaina Fongdokrai Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department sanduna North AO sida leiba Hotel Imphal by Classic ta pangthokiba thoromaduda Moma na tawrakhiba thabak thoram singa mari lenaba larik ama fongki loinana organic farming gi poster campaign launch tawbagi mathakta Moma gi makhada leiba FPC singda input sing yanthoki Thoramadu Pamaina Makataraduna said the organic oiba madi hakchang da kanaba mahimarong puthokpagi achoba hongba si Moma lakpadagi oirakpa ngamkibani ngasidagi said the organic amadi natural agriculture products sing miyam na pamba hengalakpada natana organic agricultural practice kumang chausin bangamlakli haiki Loinana Moma gi mai pakpa si project asi haudokna bahona bada chawna thodang lokhiba Horticulture and Soil Conservation gi director oina thau puriba ke Devadatta Sharma Moma gi maruiba thoburoi loinana lomi sing amadi towan towan ba stakeholders sing gi thodang na ngamlakpani haina singthaki Thauramadu Horticulture and Soil Conservation gi additional director Yaite Khupsorel Koireng Moma gi project director Donald Sobam Moma gi official towan towan ba mafam singdagi lakpa entrepreneur FPC gi mihut amadi lomi kyana sarukyaki
International market penetrate on pilot basis national market producing well known. The only problem with us is that because of the location of our state and the peculiar environment and situation affecting this state, problem the sustain the challenges established the produce quality when the situation is right, when there is stability, when there is peace, law and order, we can take this organic farming to the next level. At the Hona Bado, we talk to Honasi, Sigi Mahidi, Chamla Lakan.
Thauramadu Mari Lenana, Director Devadatta Sharmana, Awaba Madi Kudongcha Davakaya, Mayok Naduna Horakiba, Momana, Chahitara Mapung Farakpa Suda, Sedasi Tuan Bar Organic Stakeholders Singna, Masakang Bangamlay, Sedasigi Organic Outlet Kaya, National Amad International Market Singda, Hang Bangamduna, Lamdamasigi Organic Product Kaya, National Amad International Market Yobangam Kray. Sedasi Organic Manipur gi branding Malem damasak takpa ngamlakpana Sedasi gi organic product ki packaging su Malem pumbana thagalakli haina fungdokhi
Organic Haibisi Karino Haibisi 2016 gi Mamanga Todonga Mayamsi away with entire Manipur. Kanasu the organic Namalay Haibiki Pivunda Kanaram Adubu 2016 gi Matunda Karayona Mayamsi away with Riki Hakata Hosi Bazar Chataga anywhere Kasinamata Petin Pambi Mai Venamata Yoliba Manama Sing Singdu Pai the game at the organic me Hida Kaptabani Karin Kaptabani Hachang Soy City Atutoni Haiba even Moko Yoliba me Hoba Masigi aware Oivase Masi aware Oivasi a Choba Masigi Rolsi Moma Loboni a Choba Jimini Masimati a Choba revolution.